Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore the major domains of artificial intelligence. Let's get into the video. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables machines to think and learn like humans, making tasks easier and more efficient. The relevance of AI in modern society. Healthcare, faster, accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans. Customer experience, customized shopping, product suggestions, 24/7 support. Education, tailored learning, personalized experiences, increased engagement. The relevance of AI in modern society. Environmental research, analyzing climate, predicting changes, and finding solutions. Smart homes and cities, energy efficiency, convenience, efficient urban planning. Business and market insights, trend spotting, informed decisions, productivity improvement, anticipating customer needs. Benefits of artificial intelligence. Accelerated innovation, faster solutions, progress in medicine, environmental science, and engineering. Enhanced problem solving, handling complex data, providing insights beyond human abilities. Boosted creativity, inspiring creativity, adding fresh ideas, speeding up the creative process. Benefits of artificial intelligence. Resource optimization, efficient resource use, reduced waste, sustainability. Enhanced accessibility, improved tech accessibility, inclusivity, and simplified technology. Real-time decision-making, rapid analysis, quick decisions, emergency response, finance. Challenges of artificial intelligence. Job displacement, automation, unemployment, need for new skills. Privacy concerns, data collection, responsible data management, privacy protection. Bias in algorithms, biased training data, unfair outcomes, responsible AI development. Challenges of artificial intelligence. High development costs, costly development, limited adoption, competitiveness. Security risks, cyber attacks, security updates, data protection. Lack of transparency, complex processes, trust issues, understanding AI decisions. Exploring the major domains of artificial intelligence. Machine learning, learning from data, recommendation engines, fraud detection, and spam filters. Natural language processing, understanding human language, virtual assistants, translation apps, and customer support. Computer vision, interpreting images and videos, facial recognition, self-driving cars, medical imaging. Exploring the major domains of artificial intelligence. Robotics, intelligent machines, manufacturing, healthcare, daily chores. Expert systems, simulating human decision-making, medical diagnosis, financial analysis, technical troubleshooting. Deep learning, layered neural networks, voice recognition, image classification, autonomous vehicles. Exploring the major domains of artificial intelligence. Speech recognition, understanding spoken language, voice assistants, dictation software, customer service. Sentiment analysis, interpreting emotional tone, understanding customer opinions, reviews, social media. The future of AI, emerging trends and technologies. The future of AI promises smarter, more accessible technology, personalized learning, advanced healthcare, environmental solutions, and safer communities. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe.